Hey everybody, just wanted to show you the difference between the old 1157 taillight bulbs in a 1968 Cougar compared to the new 1157 LED bulbs from West Coast Classic Cougar. Let's take a look. Here we have the right side on the 1157 incandescent bulbs, and we're gonna go flip on the other side. And show you how bright that is. Big difference. Again, we'll go back to the other side. Big difference. Even look at the reflection on the front of my wife's car. We'll flip to the other side. Barely see it from here. That side with the LED bulbs, super bright, and nothing, no reflection at all on the front on that side. And as you can see, there we go. Here you have it. Definitely worth their weight in gold.